Hey, what's up? Welcome to Melnick's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making turkey meatballs. I usually make them with beef and pork, but since I can't go shopping now, I can only use what I have. So I have turkey, ground turkey, so I'm going to use that. So I got breadcrumbs, Worcestershire, Romano cheese, and Parmesan. I'm going to put a little bit of yogurt in, and turkey meat, except it's over here. Turkey meat, and I got parsley. So I'm going to dice an onion up, and I'm going to pan fry it just to get them a little bit cooked, and then chop it up. I'm using a recipe by I don't know who, Baked Turkey Meatballs. No idea who this is from. Oh well. Wellplated.com. So I'm going to do turkey meatballs, and I'm going to chop the onion now. Be right back. Got my onion, olive oil, so I'm going to pan fry sliced onion, and then I'm going to put it into the meatballs. Got a little carcass going in the background, perfect for when I'm cooking meat. Alright, so I chopped up the onion. Whoop. What's up with that? Next I'm chopping up parsley. Okay, I got chopped parsley right here. I'm going to let this camera run because every time I stop it I lose my mojo. So this parsley's cut up. I'm putting it in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to soak the breadcrumbs in milk, and that way it tastes better. So maybe I'll actually follow the recipe. Alright, I'm completely unorganized, so I'll come back when I'm cooking. I got my eggs, I'm going to put that in, breadcrumbs, crushed red pepper, oregano, onion powder and salt, a little bit of kosher salt, and we're good. I'll see you guys in a little while. Alright, my breadcrumb mixture is set. I'm going to beat the 2 eggs together. I got all my herbs and the cheese and a little bit of Greek yogurt, and I'm going to put it in. I'm going to put the meat, then the eggs into that, and then the breadcrumbs. Mix it all together. Turkey meat. It says easy to open. I must be dumb. I can't open it. I preheated the oven to 375. It's happening right now. And I'm going to cook them for bake them for 15 minutes. I skipped the process of mixing all the ingredients, and it's all here. So I'm going to make balls, and then I'm going to cook it at 375. I usually brush my pans with olive oil, but I have this olive oil spray, so I use this. So now I'm going to make the balls and put them on here and cook them 375, 15 minutes. Alright, so the meatballs are done. They're right there. They were really hard to form because they're a different texture than beef, so they were sticky. Real pain in the ass. Anyway, they're going into the oven now, 375. So the meatballs are done. They kind of suck. Not the right meat. They just didn't form right. They look okay, but who knows. Anyway, see you later. Turkey meatballs, Melnick's Kitchen. Later.